So I'm not a football guy, to be honest, but I think this a lot of people like it, and I think it's nice to get together. You see, but I'm not a big football guy. You see, I didn't talk about football, but so I thought about one thing the other day, and it's true. So basically, I think metrics uh, to rank players and um, uh, so basically we could calculate more metrics to rank players to elevate the level of the sport, of the player, and of the betting platforms. Okay, so um, I thought about this, and I think this could be a nice thing. So basically, so instead of having the raw metrics like the goals, like the number of pass, comment on dit pass, uh, passes. I think it's passes. The number of passes, the number of goals, possession, things like that. Instead of having like this kind of simple metrics, we could calculate a lot more metrics, and it could be like uh, this could allow to elevate the level. So basically, what we could calculate is the level of a player depending on the level of the other player that are playing. Okay, so depending on other things, because we have the raw metrics now, but it's hard to, you see, for example, if you take Mbappe right now, which is very strong, and you take Zidane, Platini, Ronaldinho, you remember at the time Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. If you take all these guys, so they were not playing necessarily at the, so Messi and Cristiano, yes, but some guys were not playing basically in the same game, because football is changing all the time. Okay, because how the player play is changing all the time, and so what we could do is try to calculate a metric where we would be able to differentiate the performance of one player in the current game. Okay, so depending on other people in the current game. You see, a good metric for that. Okay, and so you can say to me, Gauthier, we just look at the number of goals in the current game. No, because you cannot. So basically, there's not a game level metric that is constant across history. I don't know if you understand. Okay, and so we can elevate football by doing that. Okay, so I think this could be really interesting if you like football. Okay.